So what's up everyone and welcome to the artist Chinu. In today's video we will be creating a sketch illustration of Venom. Now the first thing we have to draw the large circle for the skull on the top right side of our page. Now I am going to using a side grip on my pencil and using the flat edge I am going to start the very top and use this light sketches going all the way around towards the bottom of the circle back up to the top, working the right side. The circle doesn't have to be perfect to start, just want to lightly sketch in the skull. Now once we have that circle in the place we are start adding some guidelines. We start by splitting the circle in half from the top to bottom, coming straight from down from the middle, and we are going to come all the way down towards the bottom of the page. I am also going to create a guideline going from left to right across the center of that circle. I am going to extend this past the left and right side. Now I am going to be drawing this character facing over towards the left, so I want to locate the bottom of the jaw. So we take the distance between the center of our circle and our bottom just to down towards the bottom of this line and just add a guideline along the bottom. Then going up towards the right side of that circle, we draw a straight line coming down towards the bottom of that guideline. Now the line here is coming down towards the bottom of the chin is basically the edge of the mouth, so we move up and just blocking the eye starting at the front. It's going to follow the same pair of the head going up towards the center line, come back towards the bottom going out, and I'm just pulling that back up almost creating like a leaf shape, and mouth is going to the curve around the eye, so we start down here, just follow the same curve eyes going up towards the top, and now I'm going to work in the back side of the mouth starting back at the top. Let's curl this out towards the right and just pull back that in it's gone round this out, go back down and then just pull it down towards the bottom of the chin, so we got this wave pattern around this lightly shade coming down towards the bottom of the neck towards the shoulder, and I'm also going to add a shadow across the bottom edge of the jaw. Now let's go to ahead and start adding the second level of detail. We will start with the teeth. From the tip we are just going to the taper this up and just add a series of pointed teeth. Now we added a pointed teeth and along the back side of the mouth as well, going in the behind the tongue. This area in the corner of the mouth is filled with overlapping lines. We are let's start with the eyes. So I'm going to lightly shade those in just to separate them from the front row teeth. I'm also going to add some openings in the cartilage in the back of the mouth. So my so
Bite dust. If you must. If you must. If you must. Bite dust. Bite dust. Bite dust. If you must. Dust. If you must. Bite dust. If you must. Dust. If you must. 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 Bite dust. If you must. If you must. Bite dust. If you must. If you must. If you must.
bit more texture and shadows.
Bite dust.
So, and as we get close to completing the drawing, and add some saliva around the tongue and mouth, and that's sketch illustration of Venom. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your request in the comment below. Thanks for watching the video.